In this video, I will be showing you how to make YouTube thumbnails on Canva. Let's get started. I begin by opening Canva and navigating to the main home dashboard where all the design options and tools are located. On this main screen, you can see various search options, layout tools, and recent projects at a glance. To start creating a new thumbnail, I move my cursor toward the top left corner of the screen and click on the purple Create a Design button. As soon as I click the button, a menu pops up displaying a search bar alongside several popular design templates. Canva provides a wide variety of preset dimensions tailored for different platforms, including presentations, social media graphics, logos, and video thumbnails. Selecting the specific YouTube thumbnail format is essential because it automatically sets the correct screen dimensions, saving time and ensuring your design looks crisp and sharp on every device. I scroll through the options in the pop-up menu and locate YouTube Thumbnail under the Frequently Used section. Selecting this preset opens up a fresh canvas perfectly sized at a 16 by 9 aspect ratio. From here, you have the option to choose from hundreds of pre-made templates or start with a blank layout. Starting with a blank canvas gives you total freedom to add background colors, bold text, cutouts, icons, and eye-catching visual elements. You can edit the content and layout any way you want to match your channel's personal style and branding. Creating a clean, high-contrast design with readable fonts and engaging visuals will help your video stand out and attract viewers. And there you have it. That's the complete process of how to make YouTube thumbnails on Canva.